Hey there, scientists. This is a walkthrough of the lesson, The Earth's Major Systems. Your goal today, scientists, is that you can identify Earth's major systems and you can recognize that these systems interact and affect Earth's materials and processes. This is a short background video telling you about each of the Earth's four major spheres, the four systems. Then we have this video right here, which gives you all of your instruction for your lesson, talking a little bit more depth about each of the spheres, talking about the prefixes that help us to identify what the spheres are. There are four major Earth systems. The four systems are geosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, and the biosphere. These four systems work together to create our Earth. The prefixes of our four words provide the clue to the parts of the Earth being described, and thus their definitions. Atmos, sphere, the air that surrounds the planet; geosphere, Earth's solid surface; hydrosphere, Earth's water; and biosphere, Earth's organisms. Again, this video gives you all of the instruction and the information that you need to know to be successful in this lesson's activities. So here in the wrap it up, you have to classify. You need to identify the system to which each of these belongs. So water in a pool, pebbles on a beach, a bee visiting a flower, the oxygen you breathe. So we have water in a pool, pebbles on a beach, oxygen you breathe, and a bee visiting a flower. And so you'll just use these labels up top and you will match them down below to whichever of our Earth systems you feel like it matches. It can connect and identify. You're classifying there. You have a second activity page here, and so you have to apply your thinking. Beavers often build dams on streams, forming ponds. Which systems are interacting when a beaver builds a dam? Write in complete sentences. So you're going to click here to respond to the apply. And then again, we have those same headers from our previous that were on our previous page. They look the same. And you're going to drag and drop each of the Earth systems listed above, so these boxes up here, onto the correct location on the picture below. So in this photo, where would we find the hydrosphere, the biosphere, the atmosphere, and the geosphere? And then when it comes to your additional resources, this will take you to a Nearpod activity, take you to an external website. This will take you to an external website where you are practicing some of those vocabulary and making those connections. This will take you to an external website where you're playing a matching game and you have to match an image to the sphere that it goes to. And then these are two background videos that we'll be looking at again as we go forward when we dig a little bit deeper into each of these four spheres. Because remember today, your goal is that you can identify the Earth's major systems, and that you can recognize how these systems interact and how that interaction affects the Earth materials and processes. It affects what's happening on Earth. Good luck, scientists.